Next week we have no new AAA release on Xbox One, but there are still a few surprises here and there. Notably, the long-awaited City of Brass is finally launching on the console. And Battlezone transports you to a world filled with tank-destroying goodness. With that in mind, here are all the biggest games launching next week between April 30th and May 4th, 2018. City of Brass. City of Brass is set in a mythological metropolis undone by its love of gold. The game follows a cunning thief who wants to obtain a fabled treasure hidden in the heart of the opulent ruins. Armed with a bullwhip and blade, players will lash and slash their way through the legions of damned souls that haunt this legendary labyrinth while pilfering relics and other riches contained within its walls. City of Brass should launch on May 4th, priced at $19.99. The game is enhanced for Xbox One X and runs at 4K on the console. The PlayStation 4 Pro, PlayStation 4, and Xbox One S versions run at 1080p. Battlezone Gold Edition. Battlezone Gold Edition offers hours of exhilarating, futuristic tank warfare in stunning first-person view. The game features a procedurally generated campaign for up to 4 players, ensuring no 2 playthroughs are ever the same. This version will be fully playable without a virtual reality headset so that more gamers can enjoy it. Even though virtual reality is a widespread technology, it hasn't been adopted by the majority of gamers. Battlezone Gold Edition should launch on May 1st, priced at $24.99. Through the Woods. Through the Woods is a third-person horror adventure set in a forest on the western shores of Norway. The game tells the story of a mother and her missing son. According to the developer, the player experiences the mother's retelling of the events surrounding her son's disappearance through reactive narration. The game is heavily influenced by Norse mythology and Norwegian folk tales. Through the Woods should launch on May 2nd. Super Mega Baseball 2. Super Mega Baseball is back again and promises better gameplay. Players can customize their squad, step up to the plate, and knock the ball out of the park. The developer claims that Super Mega Baseball 2 is a streamlined baseball simulator that will keep you coming back for more, and a vast improvement over the previous installment in the franchise. Super Mega Baseball 2 should launch on May 1st, priced at $29.99. The title will also be available for free through the Games with Gold program. The game features Xbox One X enhancements as well. Outbreak: The Nightmare Chronicles. Outbreak: The Nightmare Chronicles is an unforgiving survival horror experience. Death lurks behind each door as you fight to survive with limited supplies at your disposal. You must search rooms thoroughly and make the right choice when to fight or flee from the monsters. It's a lot like the first few Resident Evil games. Outbreak: The Nightmare Chronicles should launch on May 2nd, priced at $4.99. If you pre-order the game you can get it for $4.49. The game features Xbox One X enhancements as well. Drive on Moscow. War in the Snow. Drive on Moscow. War in the Snow is a strategy game from the award-winning developer of Battle of the Bulge. Players take command of a pivotal battle of World War II. Either defend your homeland as the Soviets, or lead a bold push to seize the Soviet capital as the Axis powers. Drive on Moscow. War in the Snow should launch on May 4th. Other experiences like Akimoto Racing Utopia and Bounce Rescue should also release next week. These are the biggest games launching soon, and many of them seem like absolutely thrilling experiences. Be sure to check out City of Brass and Through the Woods because they appear to be the most unique games out of the lot. Which titles are you interested in? Let us know.